Nigga might kill you. Blowing money fast like a fucking cheetah. I've been in the trenches filled with high feelings. Who got a spot? Whipping that bitch.
No mames, dude. Come on, dude. Oh.
Why?
What the f?
I'm in the middle of the road.
I felt it.
I'm in the middle of the road. I'm getting ready to stop this ramp.
Oh, we thought you were waiting.
No, I felt like you told me to go.
Light up at the top.
We thought you were waving us to go.
But I got a light at the top. I got a light at the top. Just don't try to squeeze through me, okay?
We thought you were waving us to go.
I felt like with your fingers you were telling me go. That's why I understood you.
Let you go, but everybody else got to stop, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we got a little VIP coming through.
Okay.
Go in on up there, all right?
Thank you. So you said you can go.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. He totally waved you to go.
What the f?
That was so awesome.
I mean, it's on camera. It's on camera. Yeah, Trump is coming. I don't give a f.
Where did they take off to?
I heard it and he just.
Did they go down that way?
I just heard the bang.
Okay.
And two babies in this fucking car and whoever hit
What the fuck, boy?
Stop there, but when it switched, I didn't have a chance to stop. I'm very sorry.
Well, it was bright red.
I know. No, it was yellow and I'm...
$30,000. think so. Stupid.
Holy sh!
पर खड़े होकर तुम श्वास ले रहे हो, वो भी मेरी ही रचना है। जिस सूर्य से दिन का प्रारंभ और जिस चंद्रमा से रात्रि का अंत होता है, वह भी मेरी ही इच्छा से होती है। इस संपूर्ण ब्रह्मांड का बीज
I don't know what you wanted me to do, man. Call 911.